just inches from my head, the glass broke against the wall. My father yelled, "Enough," as liquor trickled down the pricey wall covering. "You have a choice. Join Sterling Enterprises on Monday or get out. See how long you last without our support." Despite flinching at the sound, my mother remained silent. She didn't. I glanced at both of them, my mother averting my gaze, my father shaking with anger. The choice I made would alter everything. Remarkably composed, I got up and said, "I choose out. What, I'm leaving? Good luck modernizing Sterling Enterprises without me. You ungrateful." I was on my way upstairs when my father began to approach me. This was a moment I had anticipated. Essentials like a laptop, a portable hard drive, and 2 changes of clothes were already in my backpack. I had a safety deposit box where I kept my vital paperwork. My parents couldn't access the account where I kept the majority of my savings. My dad yelled up the stairs, "You have an hour? Then I want you out of this house."